I have used Guardian Roofing in the past and I have been very happy with them, and they're very nice and very straightforward. People you can trust, like down to earth people, not somebody giving you a sales pitch. That is the best thing. And I had some work that I needed done on my roof, but not a whole roof. So I called Guardian Roofing. They were very professional, very courteous, and I had somebody over to my house right away. His name was Steve. He was prompt, on time, and he right away started his work, went up on the roof, told me all that I needed to be done, and that's exactly what I wanted done. So we were both on the same page, and we set forward to do this project. But everybody in the office, right from the person that answered my phone to all the people that got involved in this project, were very, very good, very nice, very polite, and never pushed anything onto me. People I can definitely trust. So I had no need to go anywhere else or get any more quotes or anything like that. I tell all my friends and my relatives and my neighbors, if they need anything done with the roof, please call Guardian Roofing first.